Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another Walmart grocery pickup grocery haul, and we just picked up our groceries and I have them all set out behind me. My dog's going crazy in the background. So let's go ahead and get started. This is for a family of 2 plus 1 dog, and this week I spent about $118, and so this will last us 1 week. I have meal planned 5 meals plus a lunches for the whole week for my husband, and with a pumpkin bread that I'm gonna make this week. So I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is everything that we got, just a little overview. Like I said, this cost $118, and this week I'm pretty happy because I feel like I went pretty healthy this week, a lot healthier than the last one I did. So we'll start with the substitutions like I did last time. I only had 2 this time. It was this turkey bacon. I asked for the Jenny O brand, which is what I typically like, but they gave me Butterball, which is no big deal. And then I ordered a bag this size of the Fiesta blend, but they didn't have it, I guess, so they gave me the big bag, which is awesome. So I got some strawberries, which I get every week. I decided to get some deli meat and cheese, so I got some turkey and some white cheddar cheese. I got a cucumber for like dipping in ranch or hummus. I got some bananas. I got a bag of spinach for a recipe this week. I got an eggplant because I'm gonna make eggplant parmesan. I'm super excited to try that. I got 2 tomatoes for salads. I got 2 peppers because I'm gonna do stuffed peppers. I got 2 apples just to snack on. I got a bag of these carrot chips, which I'm excited to try instead of the baby carrots, so we can dip those. I got a pound of ground turkey and a pound of mild sausage, ground sausage for a pasta recipe. I got this can of black beans to send with Devin for some extra food in his meals because he's on night shift now. I got this pack of chicken. I got this roasted red pepper hummus, the Walmart brand. I got a spaghetti squash because I'm gonna do spaghetti squash this week. I got a little container of these Holy Guacamole minis, and it comes with 6 of them. I got these to send with Devin for his lunches because he is working 12-hour shifts, so I'm kind of having to come up with more snack ideas for him to last him the whole night. And then I got a gallon of fat-free milk. Back here I got a deluxe stir-fry mix because I'm gonna do chicken stir-fry. I got these riced veggies, which I buy every week for Devin's lunches, and I put them with broccoli and chicken for his lunches. He's a creature of habit and doesn't mind eating the same thing for lunch every week, so that's what I make him every week. And then I got some turkey sausage for breakfast. I got some eggs. These are cinnamon and raisin English muffins that we really like. Blueberry bagels. I got 2 of these 4-packs of the Oikos 000. If you guys are looking for some good Greek yogurt, this one is really good. They have a lot of different flavors. It only has, I forget how much sugar, but it's really low. It's like the lowest sugar I've seen for yogurt, so those are really good to get. I got 2 boxes of cereal. The one in the back is just Cinnamon Life, and then Honey Nut Cheerios because that's Devin's favorite. I got some more Italian dressing because I've been like obsessed with Italian dressing on my salads. I got this 100% pure maple syrup for my pumpkin bread I'm going to make, and we're also almost out of syrup. Got some of these Great Value Wheat Thins. These actually taste really good, and they're a lot cheaper than the regular Wheat Thins. I got this family size bag of pretzel snaps. I got some of this Bare Naked granola. It's vanilla almond, and the sugar was really low. Surprisingly, I think it was like 4 grams of sugar. Yeah, it says right here, 4 grams of sugar. So that's really awesome and kind of unusual for granola. So I got that to put in our yogurt. And then I got a container of taco seasoning mix because we were all out. I got 1 can of organic 100% pumpkin for my pumpkin bread I'm going to make. It's like a 6-ingredient pumpkin bread. It's supposed to be really good. All it is pumpkin, maple syrup, I think eggs, vanilla, and I forget what else, but there's no flour in it. I don't know. It's supposed to be really good. I got these Ritz whole wheat white cheddar crackers. Devin really likes these. I got a family size container of Oreos, which it wouldn't be a grocery haul for us if I didn't get those. I needed dishwasher detergent, so I just got the Great Value brand this week. And then we were out of little floss picks, so I got some of those. Up here, I got a container of unsweetened applesauce. This was only like $1.80, and I've been kind of trying to use this when I bake instead of using oil. And I made a cake with applesauce instead of oil, and it was really, really good. It helped keep it moist, and I really liked it. So I got this, and then I also just like to eat applesauce. Then back here, I got these fruit and grain. They're like Nutri-Grain bars, but they're the Great Value brand. And then I got some of these protein peanut, almond, and dark chocolate protein bars. These are one of Sherman's favorite treats to have. They're these Oinkies pigskin. They're like little hard bone kind of things. I don't know. He really loves them and it keeps him busy, so I like to buy those every time we run out. And then I needed some makeup wipes, so I got the Equate brand. This is comparable to the Simple wipes, which is what I usually get, but these come with 40 and they're only like $3.50, so they're cheaper and you get more. So that is all of my groceries for the week. If you're curious to what meals I'm making, I will show you that over here on our board. On the bottom of our whiteboard, I like to write what meals we're having for the week. And so I'm making chicken stir fry, I'm making ground turkey stuffed peppers, eggplant parmesan, spaghetti squash, and a sausage spinach pasta. And those are the meals for the week. And then the other 2 days, either we will eat out or, oh my goodness. Hello, get down. And for the other 2 meals, we will either just come up with something, eat leftovers, or we will just go out to eat. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more Walmart grocery pickup hauls. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!